In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view, assign and edit forms from Jotform Tables. This is useful when you need to manage your form data, assign forms to specific people, or quickly edit an existing form. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace, then select My Tables. Find the table you want to work with and click View Table to open it. Inside the table, click Form in the upper right corner, then select Assign Form. This will open the assigned form in the Form Builder on the Publish tab. From here, you can add assignees by entering their email addresses or generate a unique link that you can share with others. Once you've finished assigning the form, return to your Jotform dashboard. Click My Workspace, then select My Forms. Find the form you want to edit and click Edit Form. You can now make changes to the form's questions, design, settings, and other elements. That's how to view, assign, and edit forms from Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.